In the figure below, not drawn to scale, shows a rectangular piece of paper ABCD. It is folded along the line DE where EC is 10 cm. Find the area of the shaded part. So the shaded part is basically the difference between the rectangle and two equal triangles. So why do I say that they are equal? It's really because when we fold, okay, when we fold at the corner here originally was 90 degrees, we fold the angle in. So over here is going to be 90 as well. Not just that, 70 here, when you fold in, over here also going to be 70. 10 cm, when you fold in, over here also going to be 10 centimeter. So we basically, essentially, we have two equal right angle triangles. Alright, so to do this question, what we can do first is to find the area of rectangle ABCD first. 70 times 30, so this will be 2100 square cm. Alright, and then from there we find the area of each right angled triangles. Half times 70 times 10 times 2. Okay, let's find one first. Area of triangle EDC, this will be half times the base is 70 times the height is 10, right? Half times 70 times 10. So you can divide by 2 first. 70 times 5, 350 square cm. And we'll take this times 2 because we have two of those equal triangles. Okay, and what we need to do next is to do a subtraction. So we take 2100 minus 700. That will give us the area of shaded part. 2100 minus 700. Answer for this question 1400, 1400 square centimeter.